In this class, we are going to discuss about basic properties of electric charges. Already we have known that structure of atom. The building block of atoms are proton, neutron and electron. Proton and neutron are present in a nucleus. Central core of atom is called as nucleus. The electron revolve around the nucleus in a definite orbit. Proton and neutron tightly bound in a nucleus because there is a force acting between them called very strong nuclear force. And proton positively charged particle and nucleus also positive charged particle. Electron is negatively charged particle. These particles have mass, an inherent property of particles. So here that proton and electrons are simply called as a electric charges, and SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. The symbol of coulomb is capital letter C. The second property of electric charges are conservation of charges. Benjamin Franklin argued that when one object is rubbed with another object, charges get transferred from one to the other. Before rubbing, both objects also electrically neutral. For example, let us consider the glass contains 4 number of protons, 4 number of electrons, and silk cloth 3 number of protons and 3 electrons. The number of protons and number of electrons are always equal in all atoms of the object. So all the objects in the universe considered as electrically neutral objects. Now these objects are all called as uncharged objects. While rubbing all these objects, the number of electric charges present in a glass rod start moving and transferred to the silk cloth. The number of charges present in a silk cloth may transfer to the glass rod. After rubbing each other, the number of all electric charges are transferred. Finally, same number of positive charges present in a glass. So glass become a positively charged object, and the silk cloth contains equal number of negative charges. Hence, it become a negatively charged object. From this observation, Benjamin Franklin concluded that charges are neither created or nor destroyed, but can be transferred from one object to other. This is called as conservation of total charges and is one of the fundamental conservation laws in physics. It is stated more generally in the following way. The total electric charge in the universe is constant, and charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. In any physical process, the net change in charge will always be zero. The third important property of electric charge is quantization. What is the smallest amount of charge that can be found in nature? You know that each and every materials are made of an atom. In that atom, number of charges are available. What is the smallest amount of charge that can be found in that atom? Only electron. So electron is a negative charged particle, proton is positive charged particle. Here that minus E denotes electron, plus E denotes proton, which means only the type of charge is different. Electron means negative, proton is positive, but amount magnitude is only the same. Here E denotes fundamental unit of electric charges. That amount of charge can be calculated in an atom by using the formula Q is equal to N into E. The charge Q on any object is equal to an integral multiple of this fundamental unit of charge E. Here N is any integer, 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, etc. This is called quantization of electric charge. The Millikan oil drop experiment is used to find the value of charge of electron on proton. The value of E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. The charge of an electron is minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, and charge of the proton is plus 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. When two objects are rubbed each other, the number of charges transferred is usually very large, typically of the order of 10 to the power of 10. So the charge quantization is not appreciable at the macroscopic level. But at the microscopic level, quantization of charge plays a very important role. These are the important properties of electric charges. If you have any doubt in discussed topics, let me know through chat. Thank you. Thank you, students.